Hello and welcome back. This is Kathy and I'm glad you're here. I wanted to show you a quick and easy hairstyle for the hair challenged. And that may be for those who don't have tons of hair, or for those who have difficulty with motor skills or just figuring out how to do their own hair. And I was like that when I was growing up. I used to love doing hair and I would spend hours trying to do different styles on my hair. But the older I've gotten and the busier I've gotten, the less I'm concerned about trying the crazy, elaborate styles. Not only that, a year ago, I had a frozen shoulder, so my motor skills are not what they used to be. And it's really a challenge for me styling my own hair, not just because of time, but also because my shoulders and arms don't function like they used to. So I wanted to give some hope to those of you who suffer with the same type of challenges in trying to find ways to do their hair that look cute. So this is just a very simple side braid. But when you dress it up with a pretty piece of hair jewelry, it makes all the difference, don't you think? So I'm wearing a hairband, and I've done a hairband tutorial previously, so I will try and link that in the bottom. I'm just learning this YouTube thing, so you might have to search it on your own. We'll see what happens. If I can get it linked in there, I will. If not, just even this hairstyle, I mean, a hairband is pretty easy. You put it over your head and slide it up, right? Pull some bits out of the sides if you want to. And then this is just a side braid, which is just your hair divided into 3 strands and just keep crossing over. I think pretty much everybody would know how to do a braid. If not, I'm sure there's other tutorials on just a simple braid. So I'm not going to be too in depth about how it's done. Just over under basically. And the initial hairstyle was with the flexi at the bottom, or closer to the bottom. You see what I mean about the hair challenged? But you can stop it wherever you want to. It's cute too. I missed a whole section. I'm just gonna throw it in there with it. Even if you secure it at the top, just put that over like that. So even a slight braid right there looks kind of cute, right? You see that? So that is it. When you have a braid too, a trick for someone with really fine hair is pull on your strands to poof it out a little bit. Can you see it? Is the camera letting you see? I don't know. Anyway, that's pretty cute in itself, isn't it? So that's just with a little, that's a mini flexi, the extra small for some fine hair off to the side. So that's it. I will put the link to the website below. But thanks for joining me. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe below and click on the bell to get the notifications when I go live. Thanks again. Bye-bye.